Hello, my name is Nikki and welcome back to the channel. If you are new, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell to never miss a video. Today I'm excited to learn about phonetics. Wow, what is that?
Easy. Welcome to the channel. Now, phonetics are the sounds you make to pronounce the words. And today we want to learn about this because I noticed that this is a very important aspect of the Luo language. So I have a few of my usual stuff. I'll show you what it is and we'll learn how to pronounce them. The first ones are that. You remember that from kindergarten? Now this is A.
A.
Louder.
A.
E.
E.
I.
I.
O.
O.
U.
U.
A, E, I, O, U.
A. E. I. O. U.
Now the thing about Luo is, if you see an A, it's actually A every time. There's no time it will be another phonetic thing. So, for example, this would be what?
Cha, che, chi, cho, chu.
Correct. Cha, che, chi, cho, chu. So CH is ch, and then you just put the A. Cha, E, I, ch, O, ch, U. Alright? Move on. Now this, let's do this first.
Nya, nye, ni, nyo, nyu.
NY is ny. So you say nya, nye, sorry, nya, nye, ni, nyo, nyu. Alright? And then we go to, I want to do the easier ones first, and then we go to the much difficult ones.
Ta, te, ti, to, tu.
Good. Now remember, this is an English word, the, but here we say the, tha, the, thi, to, tu. Tha, the, thi, to, tu. Alright? Good. Boom. There you go.
Da, de, di, do, do.
There you go. And this is a very common mistake. Someone says tha instead of da. This is da. This is tha. So da, de, di, do, do. And this is tha, the, thi, to, tu. So da, ta, de, te, di, thi, do, to, do, tu. So these are very important. These two are very important in the Luo language. So you better, when you miss something, come back to this video and just look at what we say. Alright? And then this.
Ga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu.
This is nga, nga. Now, look at this. This is nga, 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 nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nye, nyi, ngo, ngu. Nga, nga. See the difference? Just one slight apostrophe. Now once you see the apostrophe, it changes the tonation. So nga and nga. Alright? Good. So we'll quickly go through them. You just say quickly.
Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu.
Good. This.
Nga, nge, ngi, ngo, ngu.
This.
Da, de, di, do, du.
Now. Ta,
Yes.
the, thi, tho, tu.
Da, de, di, do, du.
Da, de, di, do, du. This is easy.
Nyan, nye, ni, nyo, nyu.
And then this.
Cha, che, ti, cho, chu.
And then that.
A, e, I, o, u.
Okay. That winds up our lesson on phonetics. If you have questions and comments, I shall say, for me, adios. I have to turn on the camera, you know.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and turn on the notification bell. You can follow us on Facebook and Twitter as Luo English Dictionary. For now, Oriti, goodbye!